Hi, I'm Andrew Patterson. I'm a New Zealander. Our architectural practice is based in New Zealand. Our concern of our architectural practice is to create a built environment, a more beautiful built environment. Len Lye is an art museum, so it has a very big air handling and internal environmental control system. The integration of air movement and services is of course very critical in an art museum, because if you don't conform to a very narrow environmental band, you can't borrow and loan international works. ARCHICAD was very good in that regard. The building is also in quite a remote town in New Zealand, so we had to coordinate a whole lot of local craft and industry to create the building, and ARCHICAD was invaluable for that. I think the third reason it was handy, and I'll give you an actual example, is the budget for the building was small by international standards, and at least 25% of the building's budget was on air handling, this extremely sensitive environment that was needed inside. And we were able to coordinate the various engineers and sub-consultants in the air handling to reduce that cost significantly, just by the way the ducting worked through the building. So most of these buildings have 2 or 3 plant rooms. Well, ARCHICAD at almost the 11th hour enabled us to combine these into one plant room on the ceiling and save substantial costs and be able to communicate that very quickly to everybody. Len Lye, the artist who the museum was for, is known for his work in kinetic sculptures. So they're very loud works. They're enormous symbols and loud shaking works. So very quickly we had to make a decision on whether the building was in acoustically sealed galleries, or whether how we would control the very loud sound of these works going off. In the end, the tool enabled us to make that decision, because the works go off like a clock, only sporadically, so there's a lot of silence as well. So we had our galleries open and we could measure the sound emanating through the museum from a particular piece placed in a gallery or placed in another gallery. And so we can draw people through the building using sound.